Alright everyone, today here we have a white Hunter original four-bladed ceiling fan from 1987. I got this fan a couple months back off of Facebook Marketplace, and for a Hunter original from that era of time, these fans really pack a punch. They blow a really great amount of air. This fan unfortunately had a faulty reverse switch originally, because when I originally tested it, which was about a week ago, I plugged it in just to find that it only would run on reverse. It didn't run on downdraft at all, unfortunately. Turns out the reverse switch was bad. It wasn't making a full entire connection. I did reach out to some people, and they said that, oh, you just gotta clean the contacts a little bit, but it was actually just today that I pulled the switch cap out and took out the switch just to see that some of the metal contactor points inside actually were kind of loose and jiggling, so that showed me that the switch was starting to go bad. And I already had intended to change out the reverse switch anyways, because I figured I'd just be better off, and so thank God I did. This fan also has an arcless, I guess they call it, style pull chain, which is really interesting. I never would have known that Hunter used arcless type pull chains back in the day. I know that Sears Lasco did a lot for their turn of the century type fans, but I never knew that Hunter themselves did. This fan was also pretty dirty as well. The flip side of the blades especially had a nice coating of dust, and the whole top of the fan was pretty grungy and oily and dusty type too, so I just spent the last hour cleaning this whole thing up as much as I could. But other than that, this fan runs really well. It's very quiet, and thanks to the new reverse switch, it runs completely. So now we'll go ahead and give it a demo. And there you have it. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoyed.